the active grille shutter on this 2022 Chevy Colorado. That's the new one right there. For reference, the active grille shutter is located behind the grille. The front bumper will have to come out. It is held by a few T15 screws. Those right there, I already removed them. They're all over the top of the grille. And you need to remove the wheel liner screws also. They are T15. There is about 5 of them on each side, left and right side of the vehicle. You need to remove those and pull the wheel liner away from the bumper. And those are 7mm bolt. There is 3 of them on that side, 3 of them on the other side. You need to remove those so you can take the bumper off. As you see here, I'm pulling the bumper apart from the body. And there are 2 10mm bolts that's located right on top of the license plate bracket. They need to come out. Let's remove those 7mm screws here. And now the bumper is pretty much ready to come out, but there is one more thing I forgot to mention. There is 2 15mm bolts. Those 2 here, you need to remove them and get somebody to help you to get them off. Now we're gonna remove the air deflector from the active grille shutter. It is held by some push pin. I'm gonna take them out here. You can use a flapless pocket screwdriver to remove them, and you can use a pick or a small screwdriver once again to disengage the clips from the shutter itself. It's kind of tricky, but it's doable. You pick up on the tab here. You're gonna pick up on it, just like that. Pick up and pull it away from the body, like that. It's just like this right here. They're all over the shutter. You have to do at least 6 of them. That's how you remove it. There it is. Same thing over here. Now you need to remove the bracket for the ambient temperature sensor. I didn't show it here, but it's a bracket. You have to transfer it to the new active grille shutter. Well, let me remove it out of the vehicle here. And the vehicle also comes with your harness, so you don't have to transfer the harness. Now you're gonna remove those 10mm bolt that hold the shutter to the vehicle. There. And we're gonna disengage this tab here, so so the grille shutter will be free. And it gave me a hard time to remove it with this pick, so I had to use a stronger tool to pop it off. All right. And there is also of at the bottom, you need to remove the bumper reinforcer under the active grille shutter so that you can remove the last 10mm bolt at the bottom of the grille shutter. And right here I am clearing the code and make sure the grille shutter working before I put the bumper back to the vehicle. Here the code that I have. And I'm also calibrate the ambient temperature sensor. If it's not calibrated, it's gonna show you minus 40 degrees in the radio. So you need to be calibrated. The skin tool that I'm using, I'll post the link in the comment section below if you guys are interested. Very good tool to have. It work on all GM vehicles, specifically GM vehicles. All right. As you see here, my shutter's closing. That means that it's a confirmed fix. And that will be it, guys. Just put everything back together. As you see, I got minus 40 degrees here, and I'm gonna calibrate the ambient temperature sensor once again. You will have to go to special function and reset, ambient air temperature calculation reset. Once it's reset, it's gonna show you the actual temperature from outside. It's pretty much the reverse of removal. Put everything back together. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.